Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of creative wooden art and its many uses. Today, we'll be discussing the various ways in which wooden art can enhance your life and surroundings. Wooden art is not just visually appealing, it also serves a variety of practical purposes. From adding a touch of elegance to your home decor to creating functional pieces of furniture, the possibilities are endless. Wooden art is a form of self-expression and creativity. Artists use different techniques and tools to transform raw wood into stunning works of art that reflect their unique style and vision. Whether it's a hand-carved sculpture, a beautifully turned bowl, or intricately burned design, wooden art adds a touch of warmth and natural beauty to any space. Wooden art is also a way to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Many artists draw inspiration from the patterns and textures found in wood, creating pieces that evoke a sense of harmony and tranquility. In conclusion, the use of creative wooden art is vast and varied, from decorative pieces to functional furniture to artistic expressions. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the world of wooden art and discover the beauty and crafts. craftsmanship it has to offer, where we explore the world of creative wooden art. From intricate carvings to stunning furniture pieces, wood has been a medium of artistic expression for centuries. Woodworking is a labor of love that requires skill, patience, and creativity. Each piece tells a story and reflects the artist's vision. Whether it's a hand-carved sculpture, a unique furniture piece, or a decorative item, wooden art adds warmth and character to any space. You find inspiration in nature and the beauty of the natural grain patterns in wood. Each piece I create is a reflection of that inspiration. Woodworking allows me to express my creativity in a tangible way. I love the challenge of bringing my ideas to life through this versatile medium. Join us on this journey as we explore the world of creative wooden art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration and tips on woodworking. Thanks for watching.